Okay, guys, so we're gonna take the eclipse notes today. Um, these are at the bottom or the second page of your moon notes. So I reattached that and made it an editable document. The moon phases notes you should have on the back of your moon phases flashcards. So this is just another place to find them. There will be at some point some sort of like assessment for all of the moon notes. I wanted to give you like a big picture of what's coming up. So today, Tuesday, May 5th, you're going to take the notes on eclipses, solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. And this information all comes from the ck12.org website that you worked with yesterday and did the practice for. So then the idea is I've got to do a project with this, right? And I'm still kind of thinking of how to do that. I want to have you almost move through the moon phases and then incorporate one of or both the eclipses for that. Um, I guess I'm kind of assuming you all have access to some sort of a recording device. I mean, you could do a recording on your Chromebook. It might be something where I give you the option of you come up with how you're going to move objects through the phases of the moon and show eclipses. Um, you could also you move through the phases and you be part of it. So that's what we're going to focus on next week, and I'm going to set up a Google Meet time to kind of go over that with you in person. I think I'm going to break your classes down to shorter groups because even 19 of you is a lot at once. So that's what I'm looking for next week. There will be a project introduced, and we'll have some sort of an assessment over phases of the moon and eclipses. And then the very last topic that we have for this year is seasons, what causes the seasons on the Earth. So be ready. I'm trying to make it a little more interactive, a little less digital based. I might make you have to do the moon phases like non-digital. You have to do something and take pictures of it or take a video of it. So that's where we're going. So today you're going to finish the moon phases notes, or not, I'm sorry, back up. You're going to finish the eclipse notes, which are the second part of the moon phases notes. And then you have all the notes for the moon. And you should be ready for some sort of assessment next week while you're working on the project, probably Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Tomorrow, week 28 vocab is due, so Wednesday. And then you'll get assigned week 29, and then there's only one more week, week 30. And then that's it, and you'll have a vocab quiz over that as well. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what the next few weeks is going to look like as we wind down the year. All right, so I'm going to flip the camera around. I can actually figure out how to do that. And we are going to take the moon phases notes. Hold on just a minute.